Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa for those of you who are new, and I create new videos every week. I upload 2 times a week on Sundays and on Wednesdays, and for today's video, we are finally in March, so that means that I get to do a little bit of spring cleaning. So I'm gonna go through my drawers and my closet and just clean it out completely. So I'm going to sort out through things that I no longer use or no longer fit, and I am going to either sell or donate those things. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here is my closet. So up top I have 2 shelves, and I just kind of put my shoes up there along with some boxes that I don't really use, and some blankets up there at the very top. And then right here, this is my main clothes rack here. And as you guys can see, I own a lot of black clothing. This is one of the things that I like to do. I like to color coordinate my closet. I just feel like it makes it look so nice and just neater whenever you open up your closet, and it's just like, oh wow, what color am I gonna choose today? Like, am I gonna choose black, some white, some black and white stripes? So let me just show you guys kind of how I organize my closet. So I organize my closet through color coding, like I said. So I have all my blacks here, then I have grays, and then I have an obsession with black and white stripes. If you guys can't tell, I have its own section just for black and white stripes. Then I move on to the creams, and then in the corner it's going to be a little tough to see, but I do have some color. It's not just all beige and black colors. I have some reds, some oranges, I have some greens, and then in the very back I have a couple of blues back there. It's kind of hard to see because it's kind of a dark corner, but that is how I currently have my closet organized. So down here I actually have some more shoes. So that didn't come in the closet. I actually purchased this from TJ Maxx. It's like a little shoe shelving unit, and I have a couple of my shoes on there, as well as some boxes. Those boxes have like winter boots in them, so it's just easier for me to keep them in the boxes for them to maintain its shape. And then in this corner, this is where I have my dirty laundry hamper. I like this one. I actually got this at IKEA. So it's a really handy hamper, and it's very slim, it's very narrow, and I like that I can kind of tuck it away into that little corner. So that's kind of why I purchased it, because I don't really have space in my room to have like a big bulky hamper. So that one I got at IKEA for like $5, I think. So this middle section is going to be a little tough to show you guys, but I'm going to try my best. So in this middle section, it's kind of like these little baskets that we have set up here. So in these baskets, I kind of have sandals in here. I have sandals in there, and I have like my yoga stuff. So I have like my yoga towel, I have my yoga mat rolled up in here. I also have my backpack. I'll be able to show you guys when I open up the other door a little bit easier. And then here I have my belts organized in this little hoop that I have. It's a little plastic hoop that I got from, I don't know where, but I just thought that it'd be kind of neat to hang all my belts in this little corner. And then here there's another shelf here, and I will show you guys this a little bit better on the other door. And here's another basket. Here I just kind of have like miscellaneous stuff, honestly. Like I have slippers and like makeup bag, like water shoes from I don't know when. I don't know why those are there. And then I also have my pile of baseball caps in there, and my travel pillows like chilling there. And then down here you guys can see this was already part of the closet whenever I moved in. It's these shoe organizers, which is really kind of handy and nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other side of my closet. All right, so here is the other side of my closet, just to give you guys a good overview. So here is the second clothing rack, and this one I kind of put my workout clothes on. So I have my workout clothes in here, kind of like athleisure wear is really what's hanging out on this side. I have my sports team jerseys. So I'm a Texans fan because I am from Houston, Texas, and I'm also a Astros fan. We were World Series champs 2017, so that's pretty awesome to have in there. And then of course I've got to wrap my man JJ Watt, so I have his jersey in here as well. And then in this back corner, this is kind of where I keep all of my coats and just bulkier jackets. So I'm gonna be not using this section as much now because we are creeping into spring, so I'm really excited about that. And on this side, here you go, you guys can see a little bit better as to what I was talking about in this middle section. It's these baskets like this, and then I have this third row of shoes, which I like to keep like my booties and kind of my heels on here for just like easier access. And then down here, this is, I got from Target. I've literally had this thing for years. I got it, I think my freshman year of college. And here I kind of have my intimates, and then I have just kind of some foot insoles in there, some shoe insoles, and then I have just a couple of clutches and stuff tucked into this little cubby space. And then in this drawer, I have lots of gloves, scarves, and kind of vest in here. So this part I'm also not going to be using so much soon, so I'm going to go through this and clear this out in a minute. And then this back corner over here, I have my skirts that I like to wear. So I'll have my skirts and shorts kind of just hung up in the corner. That's a really cute skirt. It's got like sequins and stuff on it, but that is where I keep that. So that is pretty much the overview of my closet. So now I'm gonna take you guys into my dresser that I actually got this dresser. It's an IKEA dresser. I got this thing for free. Like, I got this, it was on the side of the street, and it like works awesome. The only thing that's missing is this little board here, but it's fine. Like, I can deal with that. Like, I checked it out, and this thing retails for like $270 or something crazy, and I got it for free. So I was like, heck yeah, I don't care if it's missing that little bit there. It'll be fine. But I'm gonna show you guys how I have currently my drawers in here. It's kind of a mess, so just bear with me. So this top drawer here, since I have all my cosmetic and makeup stuff right here, I like to have all of my hair and like the rest of like my cosmetic stuff in here. As you guys can see, it is currently a disaster in this drawer. So I am going to organize it and make it all nice and clean for you guys. We're going to cut into the B-roll for that in just a second as I go through this. And then in this drawer, I have some more intimates, so I just have like my bras and stuff in here. So here, this is a bit unorganized as well. I'm gonna go through this and make it a little bit neater. I keep all of my workout pants in here, so like my yoga pants. I have like my sports bras and stuff here. I have like camisoles in here, and all of these are bathing suits. I kind of have a problem. I have a bunch of bathing suits in here. And then down in here, I like to keep all of my like t-shirts that I like to like sleep in. And then I have my socks in here as well, and my like little footies and like my crazy warm socks. I like warm, cozy socks. And then down here, this thing is like busting and will not close. I need to get rid of some of these. These are all of my pajama bottoms. And now that I just gave you guys kind of like the tour kind of what I'm going to be organizing, let's go ahead and get some spring cleaning done.
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go. And let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go. Already told you I won't let you in. Same old story of told to take a hint, now I'm fine.
Okay guys, so I am done cleaning my closet. The craziest part is that it doesn't even look like I took anything out. So that's a little scary, but I did, because let me show you guys all the stuff that I cleared out of the closet. So here, just so you can kind of get an idea of how tall this thing is. And there's two piles. So this is the pile that is getting donated, and then this over here is the pile that I'm going to sell. Like I mentioned before, I am going to be linking my POSHMARK info down below. So if you guys are interested in browsing any of the stuff that I am going to post up there, you can go ahead and do that if you wish. And let's go ahead and show you guys the finished closet. Okay, so I told you guys it looks pretty much identical to what it looked like before, but there is a lot more room in here, and to prove it, I have a big stack of hangers here, so you guys do see that I actually did take out stuff. But I kept the color coordination the same, so I have the blacks in front here, I've got my grays, black and white stripes. Now you can actually see color whenever you look directly into the closet. Before, all of the color was like shoved way back there, but now actually see that I have like reds here, and then I have blues and greens. The shoes stayed pretty much the same. I did take out a couple of pairs of shoes, and you guys will see those on my Poshmark profile if you guys wish to go on there. But I just kept the same stuff down here, so nothing really changed too much as far as that goes, but I did clean out a lot of the stuff in here. Same thing goes for everything in here, so the organization pretty much stayed the same. I just kind of decluttered as far as coats and stuff. So then moving on to the drawers. So you guys remember this drawer? I'll show you a quick before, really quick before I open this puppy up. So this was the before, and now this is the after. Okay, so let me just kind of show you guys a little bit what I've got going on here. So I have these little, they're like little plastic trays that I got from the dollar store, and these are really good because they kind of work as drawer organizers. So I have a couple that are kind of like, here, I'll pick this one up so you guys can see it. This one's kind of cool because it's like a nice little rectangular shape, and then the rest are a little bit more narrow. So I got a couple of the narrow ones, and then I got a couple of the rectangular ones. But I kind of have my face serums and moisturizer down here. I've got nail polish and kind of tweezers and nail files in this section. I've got kind of like my vitamins and like aspirin and stuff back here. And then I have my contacts, and my glasses are down here, and some dry shampoo. I also have my collection of face wipes and lotions, deodorant, all that fun stuff. And then here I have my hair tools, so my straightener, my curler in this little section, hairbrush, lint roller, hairspray, and some headbands and clips back here. So now moving down to this drawer, which you guys remember, this is a kind of my messy drawer, but here now we have some camisoles. We have all of my black leggings, gray leggings, sports bras, black and then colored leggings, and then just kind of like bralettes and bathing suits I organized now back here. So these are like the one pieces, and these are like the two piece bathing suits. Down here we have my jeans. So those are my jeans. I have shorts and also like pants and capris in here, so I just kind of organized them. This is like the shorts, and then over here these are like pants. Down here, this was a good chunk that I got to declutter, so I kind of went through my old t-shirts and then just kind of stacked those there. I have some leggings and some tights here, and then just all of these are Christmas socks, which are kind of funny. I didn't realize I had that many Christmas socks. And then these are just like nice socks to wear for like boots and stuff, so knee-high boots. And then the last drawer, you guys remember that did not close at all. So now I was able to organize it. So here we go. We have our PJs right in here. These are like shorts and stuff. Those are like nightgowns. These are kind of like loungewear pants. And then these right here are my thicker PJs. So like sweatpants and stuff are bulked in the back. So that does it for the spring cleaning. I hope that this inspired you to do a little bit of spring cleaning of your own. It just feels so good to have your drawers and closet organized. For all of the items that I put in my sell pile, I will have my Poshmark profile linked down below so you guys can check that out if you guys wish. And I will see you guys in the next video, but make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you're not part of the family already, and go ahead and hit that big thumbs up button as well and the post notifications so you don't miss whenever I upload. I do upload 2 times a week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy spring cleaning. Bye guys.
I wanna be loved by you, 'cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you.